Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another rug here that we picked up from a client. This rug was in the flood, so what we did is as soon as we brought it into the shop, we put it up for speed drying. We had these fans here, the DQ right there, and that other fan over there on top of it to make sure it dries well. Now that it's all dried up, we're gonna put it through our process of dusting, and then we'll put it on the tub for doiling. Had to back away a little bit. It's kind of loud, but you can see that these rugs are pretty new. They look really clean. The only reason the client wants us to clean is because she had some movers come in and they had clay. Here in North Carolina, the clay is really red, so on these light colored rugs they got the clay on it, and we're just gonna do a topical cleaning. We don't have to run it through the machines because, you know, they're new rugs. We just got done cleaning the rug. The rug did have some wrinkles, so we added these tables on top of it so while it dries it can flatten out. The reason why it's wrinkled is because since it was in the flood, the client put it over their balcony on the railing, and I guess from leaving it hanging on there it wrinkled up. So we're gonna leave it like this overnight, and we'll check it tomorrow morning to see if those wrinkles came out and see how much it dried. Alright guys, I had this sitting overnight. I'm gonna have Noel help me to take off the tables. As you can see, these wrinkles are out. And I'm gonna go ahead and help him take the rest of these tables off, and I'll show you how it looks. Rug is dried up, vacuumed, and groomed, packed up, now ready to go back to the client.